Morning, love. So we're back from Shosho's place, and we're going to take. It's on Monday, and we're going to take the car to the car wash because it's dirty, like iko na matope. So yeah, I just took a couple minutes ago, so don't worry, guys. Guys, kujani tupande miti.
Make me your radio and turn me up when you feel low. This melody was meant for you. Sing along to my stereo.
Class heroes, baby. If I was just another dusty record on the shelf, would you blow me off and play me like everybody else? If I asked you to scratch my back, could you manage that? Like if we had chicken Travie, I can handle that. Furthermore, I apologize for...
Guys, I'm going to blow dry my hair as we wait for the car to be washed.
This is the last girl that played me, left a couple cracks. I used to, now I'm over that. Cause holding grudges over love is ancient artifacts. If I could only find a note to make you understand, I sing it softly in your ear and grab you by the hands. Keep me stuck inside your head like your favorite tune. And know my heart's a stereo, the only place for you.
My heart's a stereo. It beats for you, so listen close. Hear my thoughts in every note.
Come on.
Make me your radio and turn me up when you feel low.
Good morning, my lads. I hope you're all doing okay. It's yet another fine morning. For those who have not subscribed to my channel, kindly go and do so. For those who have subscribed and are coming back, welcome. So today I'm going to my best friend's house. Actually, I'm ready. Just waiting for the cab. Yeah, we're having a content creation day. We're going to do some content, more of fashion content for our TikToks and our Instagram reels. If I'll be able to take any YouTube vlog, okay, fine. If I won't, I'll just show you bits and bits of what we will be doing. So yeah, let's meet at my bestie's place. I make this each and every morning, so I just use coffee, and this is lemon juice and hot water. So I just mix the coffee, lemon juice and hot water, and I am good to go. This drink is always nice for me. Like, for me it's nice, and I usually take it in an empty stomach. Every time when I wake up, every morning when I wake up, I have to take this. Then maybe stay for like 30 minutes, then have normal breakfast. But I'm not a fan of breakfast, but sometimes if I'm hungry, because it makes you feel so hungry. Anyway, yeah, here's my concoction. So hey, I just showed you guys early in the morning when I was making breakfast. So I start with coffee and lemon, black coffee and lemon. So I squeeze the lemon, then I just drink it like that. No sugar, no honey, no nothing. And then right now I'm going to make oats and natural yogurt and banana. So yeah, so here's the yogurt, the oats, and I'll take one banana from here. And a bowl. So need a spoon. I won't do a lot, so if you can see, this is enough. And I'll put like maybe like that. So let me tell you guys where I learned this from. So most of the days, this is what my babe takes in the morning. Most of the time. So ooh. Go in with the banana. 1 banana is enough for me. I don't know about you guys, but for me, 1 banana is enough. Oh, just wow. So this is how it looks. It's sweet. You all need to try this, by the way. You all need to try this. Anyway, it looks like baby's food. So just oats, natural yogurt, and banana. This thing slaps.
Melody was meant for you to sing along to my stereo. So sing along to my stereo.
Let's go. If I was an old school 50-pound boombox, would you hold me on your shoulder wherever you walk? Would you turn my volume up in front of the cops and crank it higher every time they told you to stop? And all I ask is that you don't get mad at me when you have to purchase Mad D batteries. Appreciate every mixtape your friends make. You never know, we come and go like on the interstate. I think I finally found a note to make you understand. If you can hear.
So guys, I'm here already at Bestie's place. I'm setting up the lights so that I can start doing some videos. And she's here. I did not wake her up, by the way. Hi.
Did you not wake me up? Hi.
I did not wake you up.
Hi, Cindy's people. What's the name of your people?
My people are Cindy's people. They're called Hi My Loves.
Guys, you guys are Cindy's people.
No, they are my loves.
Hi, Cindy's loves.
So yeah, guys. So guys, this is my first fix. I don't think you guys can see the shape, but I'll put the pictures there. So, yeah. Can we go to school now? Can we go to school now? I'm ready. I have my bag, I have my boots. So guys, So guys, I did a couple of outfits. I'm gonna show you guys here some of the outfits that I did. Ama here.
Mimi nimempiga.
Wow. Umenipiga nini? Yeah, so guys, we're still doing content. We're still shooting. Yeah, so wow, just wow. Sasa earrings hazitalia. Guys, let me show you how disorganized they look. Wow. Guys, wanasema nina canton. Nipe nionyeshe watu kenye mnasema. Guys, wananiongelelea vibaya. Imagine these people are not good. And these are the earrings. Then wananiongelelea na hii.
Ile mtoto mtiaji kwa shule. Teacher, this one did this one.
Wananiongelelea na hii, guys. So I look like a student, guys.
Ai. Ule sumbua. Unakata.
Guys. Wananiongelelea na hii.
Unakata ule student sumbua.
Mimi, let me play it, guys. Mimi si student sumbua.
Chana ni did this.
Such a good student.
Teacher,
it's not me. Wow, just wow. But guys, whew. Hey loud, so this is the last fit. You can't see the shoes, but I'm gonna put the photo here or here. The photos or a video. So yeah, it's time for me to go home. It was nice. I enjoyed. Best friend, where are you? Finally.
So guys, finally.
Here's my best friend.
Here's my best friend.
We're done shooting. We're done shooting. I've removed my makeup. I'm gonna remove this when I get home. When
She's
I go
jealous.
shower.
She didn't show you guys my fit. She was just showing
But
you
you're not even take bits of your feet and us together. We did not. But I'm gonna take. You're gonna send me like a small part.
Uko na ngapi?
Send a small part to get ready. Nieke straight hapa. Actually, guys, nitawekea.
Uko na ngapi?
Sorry, best friend. So anyway, baby's waiting for me.
Wapenzi.
So unanifikisha chini hata kunihadi.
Nilifika guys, nilifika chini.
Anasema lazima muone amefika kwa chini.
She's not going to show me, and the way she's insisted, I'll bring her down. Where's our baby?
Where is baby?
Pale.
Nye yako pale? Hey. Hi baby.
Poa.
Nilifika guys. Amefika chini. Hi.
Hi.
Endeni huko. Guys, nilikuwa nakunywa soda. Nilikuwa nakunywa soda, babe.
La cara.
Inside your head like your favorite tune. You know my heart's a stereo, the only place for you.
My heart's a stereo. It beats for you, so listen close. Hear my thoughts in every note. Oh, oh, oh. Make me your radio. And turn me up when you feel low.
My guys, I'm back home. The sun imeni sun kiss. Woo. See beauty.
Was meant for you. So sing along to my stereo. So sing along to my stereo. I only pray you'll never leave me behind.
Never leave me.
Because good music can be so hard to find.
So hard to find.
I'll take your hand and hold it closer to mine.
Yeah.
Our love was there, but now you're changing my mind. My heart's a stereo. It beats for you, so listen close. Hear my thoughts in every note. Oh, 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 oh. Make me your radio. And turn me up when you feel low. This melody was meant for you. So sing along to my stereo.
It's your boy Travis. Gym Class Heroes, baby. Yeah.
Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now.
Yeah, I could use a dream or a genie or a wish to go back to a place much simpler than this. Cause after all the partying and smashing and crashing, and all the glitz and the glam and the fashion, and all the pandemonium and all the madness, there comes a time where you fade to the blackness. And when
Good morning, my love. So on a Saturday morning, this is what baby is having for breakfast. Just wow. Guys, nikiwaambia have ni mimi nilikuwa naonja chai yake hapa, msijali. Nikiwaambia have kuchemsha hii pineapple. She had to hit this pineapple because it was cold. But anyway, babe, hii ni breakfast gani? Hii breakfast yako inaitwa?
This one?
Yeah.
Bodybuilding.
Sasa where are you going? Guys, and me, I'm having this bread. I'm going to like make eggs and stuff.
You're looking for 6-pack.
You're looking for 6-pack?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm looking for 1-pack. So I'll have this with you like tumio kunyo inaitwaje? Collagen. I'm gonna have this with collagen. Yeah, then we're gonna head out later. Go get some things. Bye
staring
bye.
at that phone in your lap, and you hoping but them people never call you back. But that's just how the story unfolds. You get another hand soon after you fold. And when your plans unravel in the sand, what would you wish for if you had one chance? So airplane, sorry I'm late. I'm on my way, so don't close that gate.
Hi. Hi. Hi, handsome. Guys, so we're going out. We're heading out. Why are you smelling so nice? Why are you smelling nice?
My weakness.
Oh, smelling nice is your weakness. Yeah. Wow, guys. Wow. So, Peps, ungenizimia stima. Anyway, guys.
Mimi ndio niliwasha.
Back at it by the end of the night.
That airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars. I can really use a wish right now.
When I was trying to get it in the subway, and back when I was rapping for the heaven. But nowadays we rapping the state feather. I'm guessing that if you can make some wishes out of airplanes, maybe I go back to the days. Before the politics that we all around game. And back when ain't nobody listening to my mix was a shot. And back before I tried to come up with my plans, what I had in my bank.
Wholesale goes for 1,000 for this. Have a smaller size.
Oh, the smaller size.
Each piece goes for 1,500. Wholesale for the big one. And this size goes for 4,500.
I would like a wholesale. No, I would like this. Wow, guys, this is nice.
Shooting stars. I can really use a wish right now. Wish right now. Wish right now.
I could really use a wish right now. I could really use a wish right now. Like shooting stars. I could really use a wish right now. A wish right now.
It's our party, we can do what we want. It's our party, we can say what we want. It's our party, we can love what we want. We can kiss who we want, we can screw what we want. It's our party, we can do what we want. It's our party, we can say what we want. It's our party, we can love what we want. We can kiss who we want, we can screw what we want.
Red cups and sweaty bodies everywhere. Hands in the air like we don't care. Cause we came to have so much fun now. That somebody here might get some now. If you're not ready to go home, can I get a hell no? Cause we gonna go all night till we see the sunlight. Alright. So la-da-dee-da-dee, we like to party. Dancing with Molly, doing whatever we want. This is our house, this is our rules, and we can't stop, and we won't stop. Can't you see it's we who own the night? Can't you see it's we who found that light? We can't stop, and we won't stop. We run things, things don't run me. We don't take nothing from nobody. Yeah, yeah.
It's our party, we can do what we want. It's our party, we can say what we want. It's our party, we can love what we want. We can kiss who we want, we can screw what we want.
To my homegirls here with the big butt, shaking it like we at a strip club. Remember, only God could judge ya. Forget the haters, cause somebody loves ya. And everyone in line in the bathroom, trying to get a line in the bathroom. We all so turned up here, getting turned up, yeah, 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 yeah. So la-da-dee-da-dee, we like to party, dancing with Molly, doing whatever we want. This is our house.
So guys, we're back home, and I tried taking a time lapse of me unboxing everything, but Sumi kanifanyia ile kitu, so imekuwa full, so I don't think I'll post the 10 minutes of me unboxing, but at least I showed you guys while I was buying some things. Okay, well, I did not show you all the things, but at least I did. So I want to do a review of these glasses. Kwanza zinanibamba sana guys. See this whiskey glass. This is so awesome. Like, so we got a set of 6. Need to clean them up. Alafu I got mabuyu. I forgot to show you guys nikichukua mabuyu. Mbona hata sikuchukua? Nikichukua mabuyu. So I got mabuyus. Also, yeah. So that's all for today, and we're just cooking chicken. We're gonna have dinner, then watch a movie. Oh yeah, and this is what I was getting. Pale galitos. I was getting this. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to share, subscribe for more. Sawa, you can leave a comment, just anything, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed. Sawa guys, until next time, bye bye.